Hello, welcome to Successful Trading for another episode of the stock market technical analysis. Today for December the 9th, 2020. All right, I was wrong on DOORDASH. Yes, but I did buy it. Yes, granted, on paper. Without any further ado, let us go ahead and see what the first IPO for the initial IPO for Doge that look like. All right, folks, let me be the first one to do a replay for you because we can. This is the first day trading of Dash. That's the ticker for DOORDASH. If you don't know, today was its IPO. Much hype and anticipated IPO, obviously. So what do we do here? We are going to just go show it. How long is going to take? 20 something seconds or so. So we're going to say a candle every 15 minutes. And the duration of the candle, well, we use the replay button on here, feature inside. So update every second, maybe 2 seconds. Yeah, one update every 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds, we're going to have one of these 15-minute candles. How many of them are there? 4, 6, 8, 12. So 20, 35 seconds of your life to take a look at what does that look like today for its IPO. All right. Let's see. Can I do that? Because it's the one update every 5 seconds. So 5 minutes, okay. Maybe faster than that. One update every 0.5 seconds for 5 minutes. All right, here we go. So folks, I actually put in an order on paper trading, that is on Webull, as you know. So let me show you my order. That was here, was it field? Yep. So this is Dash. Buying price for me 184.39. Sorry, we have to go back. We have to come back here on this replay. We don't abandon it. Oh my god, it's done. The replay is done. All right, here it is. The replay of Dash on its first day of trading, December 9, 2020. And here we are looking at it, just mumbling through, posting a high at 192. When was that high here? 192 thereabouts. And it closed at 189. So did I make money on my paper trading account on Dash on the first day? Yes, $34. Yes, just as a quick update, folks, this is hey, we did not do so bad today. Plus 10%. Okay, so they give you this is paper trading, my paper trading inside of Webull, and I have been pretty much just shorting stuff on there. But yeah, the thing with DOORDASH, you have how many? What's the rule again? Somebody remind me. I don't trade stock that much, folks. So shorting, you cannot short this one. Options are not available. That much I know, and you cannot short it for the next 2 weeks at least. So you have to be patient. Literally, trust me. Let's say if I want to do this, sell. Let's see here. Let me put in markets, and I'm trying to sell. I don't know. Well, since I own the stocks, yeah, I own shares. Yes, they will allow me to sell, but I don't think you can short it. Meaning, if you don't own a stock already. So, that was the biggest thing that happened today in this stock market. Technical analysis. So for us, let's go through our normal pace. So if you were with us in the pre-market, well, we did talk about how many consecutive days. This is SPY, what it did. So SPY lost a couple of points, just a couple, 370 to 366 thereabouts. So if you were involved on this one, it provided some opportunities here. Here's the trend. So below VWAP posting lower lows, crossover of EMA 8, the yellow line below the green line, exponential moving average 20, and you just waited, and eventually you get paid. So the 366, I think the highest that they went were 50 cents, exactly at that level. Can we go here under at all? So let's see. I'm trying to see to bring in the option chart of SPY to see which option will have gotten us anywhere. Okay, when we do this, another screen will pop up. That's why we have, so the 360, Which one really gave money on here? This is for next Friday. So expiring today, obviously you could have used in which one of them. Let's see if this thing first. It wasn't that so. Yeah, well, let's show maybe the 367 because I mean, starting at 368, you could have gotten this. So what's that chart? Yes, that chart on here. I just have to remove the extended hours on here. You know that you can't trade extended hours. We've talked about that before in another video. So 12.9 at 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 Eastern. The 367 were going for 9 cents, and you could have taken them to $1.40. Congratulations. That's a 10 bagger, folks. That's what happened on SPY expiration day. That's why for us, we have been talking you about strategies on SPY on expiration day. We made a video on that, which is we're going to put it somewhere so watch that video next. After you finish watching this, do yourself a favor, watch that strategy on SPY on expiration day, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Here's an example of it today. I mean, if at the beginning of the day you were with us in pre-market or whatever, because we always talk about it, right? Actually, as a matter of fact, you enter this trade even, let's say here, 5 cents. And tumbling, rumbling, tumbling, rumbling. Ta-da! $1.40. All right, so how much is that? I have to calculate that live. Where's my calculator live to see? These are the opportunity when people talk about 10 baggers, they are looking at us straight in the eyes, but you need to know which strategy, which stock shall apply with that. SPY is one of them, and we here at Successful Tradings, we have documented that enough. So $1.40 minus I cannot even minus 0.05. That's what it is, 0.05. Oops, that's not that 0.5. Yeah. That's a profit of $1.35. You divide that by 0.05 to get the percentage. 27 bagger, folks. This move or SPY. So let's go side by side. Let me put this aside. Let me do what? Let me bring in the charts for SPY. Because this is what happened, right? You get a nice win like this, where people will say, yeah, it doesn't have to work 100% of the time. Yeah. If let's say in a week you just did your 25 bagger, folks, then on Monday and Wednesday and Friday you miss. Then if somebody's gonna ask you, what's your win rate? Oh, my win rate's only 33%. But guess what? That's misleading because you made a 27 bagger. Meaning if you put $100 on here, you get $2,700. That's what it means. Yeah. And then for those, hey, you could have even entered, let's say, as late as much later, 10 cents. Let's say 14 bagger. Overall, that's what happens. So get involved, learn about the strategies, and start making money, really, folks. That's what we advise you. We have been saying all along here. So this is the side-by-side move, right? We are looking at the 367 option. Now the question is, why would I have taken the 367 puts expiring today? What else do you want to take? I mean, at the beginning of the day, the stock was trading, went all the way to 371. Let this candle here make it bearish, but then they do the usual sideways. So for us on here, we have a video that teaches you exactly when to take this trade, when to enter this trade. Yeah. So what will have been what we like to do sometimes. Let me do that here. Call out. So the candle for the perfect entry, actually, may I suggest that it is this candle. I know there's going to be arguments. I want you to watch this video and actually critique my candle entry here. Perfect entry. Why is that the perfect entry? Based on even the video that we teach ourselves on the why that green candle is the perfect entry. If you're arguing, okay, that's fine. Let's make it the second one. Yeah. And then there's no argument. But there is that's one. There's something we teach here and it's inside of the video. So watch them to see why I made that a perfect trade. 27 bagger on SPY. At the beginning, well, maybe let's look exactly. So 7, that will be 10 Eastern. Let's see exactly how much this option was worth at 10 Eastern. 10 Eastern is here. 5 cents the low. And the high was 23 cents. Okay. I don't care. Even if it's 23 cents that you got in at the high, well, you see, that's not bad. Over 600% under, but why? Why under? Being Wednesday today, you had numerous ways to trade this because you know of that strategy. So from the get-go, the little gap up on here, definitely you got Gangster in it. Gangster. Entry on Gangster are between 5 and 10 cents. So, all right, I raised my case. What else worked today? First, we traded Nvidia as well. Yeah, Nvidia, they took their time, but similar type of pattern. What options are we trading? Nvidia, the reason why I say we, because it's part of, Nvidia has been part of our weekly trade alert since last Thursday. So we have been just checking that one. And if you were, so this trade worked well. I think 17 cents to $1 something. So close to a 10 bagger on the 490 puts. Not even close to the money. So we're making 10 bagger, folks, on options that are not even near in the money. That's a fact on here. So how about Roku? You want to see what Roku is? This is Roku. Gap, hence invitation for a Gangster trade. Yes, we provided entries and we analyzed Roku in pre-market today. So that works as well. So folks, few things works on here. Great. What are we looking at for tomorrow? We're looking at Facebook, because Facebook paid as well, I think, on the put side. Not I think, I know for a fact. Let me show you the 275 or even the 270 put, because I checked them out before when I was preparing for this show. So who's my friend? Mr. Lawal. We had a coaching session yesterday, so if hopefully he can comment on this video that we did specifically talk about Facebook. Well, I told him that we were looking at Facebook, so hopefully it wasn't a surprise today. So the 270 puts, this is not December 20th, expiring this week, and you can see our option watch list here. We don't care. We can show you our option watch list, what we're trading here. It's okay. That has happened many times, yeah. So if you can take advantage of it, more power to you. Actually, if you're making money out of our recommendation or our technical analysis on the stock market, the stock market technical analysis daily in the morning, let us know in the comment section. Wow. These are the 270 puts. So you could have gotten them for, I don't know, where's the beginning of the day? This is 12.8. This is 12.9 here. I'm reading the timestamp at the bottom. Yeah. On the 12.9930, 27 cents low, 33 cents open, 48 cents high, and close at 28 cents. If you waited even like 45 minutes, you could have gotten them from 20 cents. 20 cents all the way to $3.40. 15 bagger, folks. Yeah? And the stock it wasn't as if the stock moved by that much. That's the beauty of this. This stock maybe was down at some point, maybe 3% max, because QQQ was down 2.4%. You get the idea. The chart, if we do go side by side, where's Facebook? Side by side, Facebook versus that 270 option. What does it look like? Oops, let me get this out of the way. So the side by side look like this. As the stock is going down, the option price. Obviously, they have to buy the dip here big time at 230. So this candle here, it's the same. Yeah, I don't even have to look at it, because you just see the opposite effect, right? These are puts, so they paid big. They went as high between yesterday and today. I think the highest I saw them on our, because for us we monitor them on our watch list of option, 600%. They're about between yesterday, but you didn't have yesterday. You could have gotten a better entry today, and look at it here, 18 cents. Or as the stock was drifting for you, you could have actually scaled more in. 20 cents. Went to $3, spike all the way to $3.40. All right, so those are the things we're definitely looking at. After they move like this, we're paying attention onto what's going on Facebook. So this is his daily charts. Okay, so bounce off of the middle cut. Fantastic. So tell us more. What's in store for you tomorrow? Actually, we posted this morning. I forgot that. We posted this morning on our Twitter. Our Twitter, if you're looking for our Twitter, @Gangster Trades. So what was our post? Yes, our post was here this morning. Facebook, Nvidia enjoy chart from Webull on this wild Wednesday. The Wednesday was wild, all right. So was just for me. I was trying to feature the Jaws chart inside of Webull, and this is what we posted on there. Both stock happened to be doing great, so we took advantage of that. So tomorrow, definitely they're still on the watch. The last one that we want to take a look at here is pins. Pins moved today, but I mean, if you got it from the top, but this consolidation here, folks, has to come to a resolution. Hopefully for us over the next 2 days. How many days has it been? 10 days yet? Tomorrow's day number 10. So, my friend, be ready, because in pre-market, we'll be talking about it. If it happens to gap in either direction before pre-market, some of us who may already be in the position under, yes, we have strangles on it already, because we told you about it in pre-market today. If you were not with us in pre-market today, find a way to come be with us and take advantage of our stock market technical analysis in the morning, starting at 8:40, 45-ish. Sometime I'm late, 8:50. Yeah. Hey, guilty as charged. I'm late, so it's 8:50 sometimes Eastern. That is, the market opened at 9:30 Eastern, so we have usually a good 30-40 minutes power without any wahala. I have to have the word wahala in this show. Okay, so that's it for today. Join us tomorrow and see on the second day of DOORDASH and the first day of Airbnb IPO. Until then, have a great afternoon, have a great evening, have a great morning wherever you're watching from. Bye-bye.